So the next thing is I'm going to talk about is we have understood all the concepts here. So now what we're going to demonstrate, we're going to demonstrate you Lambda functions. Okay. So basically a developer, it's any developer in AWS should be understanding the core AWS services. Okay. So that is something you can so that is something everybody has to um, so, uh, so that is something everybody has to know is that the core AWS services are EC2 and Lambda computing side, okay, and storage side is ES3, and and database is RDS DynamoDB. Networking we have to know it, and the identity access management roles also we have to be good at it. Okay, this is basically a must core service. So using all this core service, we are going to demonstrate our next and our CoderRange event. We're going to demonstrate with the hands-on examples. Okay, so that will be more of deep diving. So why you are come in? What's the reason? Because so we are at CoderRange. We don't teach AWS. We build you as a warrior of the cloud. Because when you master the every depth and internals of it, whether it is basic level, advanced level, when you're applying for your first job or switching as any tech role, you no longer need to be loosed in only theory part, or you will be just stuck at the basic level only. We will help you to launch the real production code, the real scenarios, and the real world problems. So that is all about CoderRange community. That is all about CoderRange great value. So next I'll talk much about are all the events now which is upcoming, and also which is part of it. It's part of our YouTube thing. And so all the participants here, if you wish to connect to all our the existing sessions and previous awesome sessions, a lot of upcoming sessions, you can be always part of our CoderRange YouTube channel, where you will be able to get every detailed information about the concepts in that everything with the breadth of technology. We will be adding you in the CoderRange um, community. Members can be part of our YouTube thing, so where we will be able to demonstrate everything. So next the question is that already developers will be talking about, Venkatesh, do I really need to know Python exceptions? Yes, because Python exceptions are very important in your AWS, because they will be part of security exceptions. Every exceptions will be there for you. Okay, real time scenarios next. The next real time scenarios we are going to demonstrate for you, for all of you, in AWS use cases with Python. Sometimes if you want, we can demonstrate with Java or Go, anything. We are going to demonstrate how to work with S3 EC2 automation, and Lambda deployments and CloudWatch logs. Everything we're going to demonstrate with a live case study and code examples. Maybe this time I can consider based on your inputs, guys. Based on I can do with a CLI approach, or I can demonstrate with an cloud approach. Anything we will demonstrate that and do that as well. So that is thing. So before we take this session,